Welcome to your math channel. Here you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Today we're going to solve a fractions exercise. First, according to the order of mathematical operations, we need to solve what's inside the parentheses. Since we have fractions with different denominators, we need to make the denominators the same, and for that, we need to find the least common multiple, LCM. The LCM of 3 and 2, first we divide by 2. Can 3 be divided by 2? No. So we repeat it. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and the 1 repeats. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So the LCM is 6. So now, let's think about this for a moment. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So here it will be 4 minus 3, which is 1. 1 over 6. So this subtraction gave us 1 over 6. All right, let's keep going. Now, according to the order of operations, we have to do the multiplication. For multiplication, you just multiply the numerators and the denominators. So it becomes 3 over 5 minus 1 times 1, which is 1. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay. So now we have 3 over 5 minus 1 over 30. Now we're in the same situation again. Subtraction with different denominators. We need to find the least common multiple of 5 and 30. First, do we divide by 2? Yes. So 5 stays the same. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Divide by 2 again? No. So by 3? Yes. 5 repeats. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now we can't divide by 3 anymore, so divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So it'll be 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. The least common multiple is 30. Now, 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 30 divided by 30 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So it's 18 minus 1, 17 over 30. That's the answer to the question. Well, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and see you in the next video.